This is the latest gaming phone from Tecno, the Tecno Pova 5. At the time of recording this video, I don't have the price yet, but it should cost below 200,000 naira, and for that price, is it worth it? Well, let's find out right after you click on that like button so that more people can get to see this video, and that subscribe button as well, since we're on the way to 2,000 subscribers and I would like for us to hit that before the end of the year. Cheers. Kicking things off with the build quality, the Tecno Pova 5 is made out of plastic at the rear and sides, which is quite normal for smartphones at this price bracket. Up front is a 6.78-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and support for 120Hz refresh rate, which has become a standard on Tecno Pova series. The Tecno Pova 5 has a peak brightness of 580 nits, which means outdoor gaming would be enjoyable because the screen simply doesn't get bright enough. Consuming content is okay on the Pova 5, plus we get stereo speakers, which makes the audio listening experience more immersive. The software is typical HiOS 13 to be exact, running on Android 13. You should expect some bloatware apps which you can uninstall or disable. No word from Tecno if we'll be getting Android software updates, fingers crossed on that though. The Tecno Pova 5 comes with a mediatek Helio G99 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128 or 256GB of storage, which is also expandable. When it comes to gaming, the Tecno Pova 5 is capable of playing games like Free Fire, PUBG, and COD Mobile smoothly. As I've said earlier, the Tecno Pova 5 is powered by a 6000 mAh battery, which will last you through the entire day and even more if you aren't a heavy user. And when you need to charge it up well, it is capable of 45 watts fast charging, in which the charger is in the box. As we all know, camera isn't the strong suit of the Tecno Pova series. Well, the Tecno Pova 5 comes with a 50 megapixel main and a 0.8 megapixel depth camera capable of shooting videos up to 2K resolution. And yeah, that's basically it on the Tecno Pova 5. It is very similar to the Tecno Pova 4. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, and yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace.